I was about 50
Sir.
when this happened. I remember being extremely disturbed because I feared that it would provoke another wave of Islamophobia. I remember feeling terribly concerned. I was left with a feeling of unease when the deal was struck. I could not pinpoint why I feel this, but I did feel that the passengers and the pilot had been through an absolutely horrifying time, and this was no closure.
Do you remember 99 when this incident was happening, when you were doing this series? Did it come to you from memory? Because you've seen a lot, and did that actual incident play in your head?
I can't say that I was about 50
Sir.
when this happened, end of the previous century. I remember being extremely disturbed because I feared that it would provoke another wave of Islamophobia, and luckily at that time it didn't. But I remember feeling terribly concerned about the situation and what it would lead to. And there was a feeling of ambivalence at the end when the whole crisis was resolved, because I was left with a feeling of unease when the deal was struck. I could not pinpoint why I feel this, but I did feel that the passengers and the pilot had been through an absolutely horrifying time, and this was no closure. This is what I remember feeling. While playing it, of course, I've never been in a crisis management meeting or anywhere near any of these things. But what appealed to me was the thought of playing with all these wonderful actors. It just seemed like being in heaven. To be with 7-8 actors who you love and admire. I can't think of any happier situation than that. So I don't think I recalled any of what I felt at that time. The success of IC-814 gives a sense of hope to us all, I think. It would be too much of a sweeping statement to say that the audiences have grown up and all that sort of thing. But the success of movies like Anubhav's own Mulk or Thappad or several others which were unconventional movies and which didn't pander to popular taste. All of them didn't succeed, well-intentioned and well-made though they may have been. But it definitely it gives us a sense of hope, and the fact that there are so many wonderful actors who are being discovered through OTT is also a fantastic